Okay, girls.
Hi.
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 You are coming from?
We are Latvia.
Latvia. Okay.
Yes.
And where are we now?
We are now in Sicily, in Palermo City, sitting in the street food cafe.
Okay. And what do you think about Sicily?
Actually, Sicily is very, very alive town. Sorry for my English, but it's very alive. People are moving, action. People are very, very kind, very pleasant. I think that Sicily has a heart. Actually, I feel this. And maybe I will come here again.
You will come here again. And what think about Sicily?
I like it very much. I've been to Taormina before, so now I'm for the first time in Palermo, and it's beautiful. The city is beautiful.
The architecture.
The architecture is amazing. We are renting a car, so we travel in another places as well. It's beautiful. I would definitely recommend.
Okay, thank you very much. And I think you were at Turkey also.
Yes, but Turkey is very beautiful as well, but it's like a more calm, like a hostel rest, when you just eat, chill, take a sunbath, swim. Yeah, but Sicily is like a more alive. I would definitely recommend to rent a car here and visit places and Scala di Turkey. And comparing, for me, Sicily is better because I like to move myself.
Oh,
I like to
nice.
discover myself, the food, the places, people, and it's a very precious life experience. But Turkey is good also.
Okay,
So,
where were you at Turkey? Istanbul or Antalya?
Antalya.
Antalya,
Yes.
okay.
But Antalya is good. There is a disco,
many discos,
and stuff, and you can hang out there, like a drink and stuff, and dance and meet people.
Yes, it's food also very nice. Many discos. At Kemer, very famous disco for North people. I know.
Yeah. A lot of people from Latvia are going to Antalya to have a party somewhere.
Okay. Have a nice holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you very
too.
much.
Good luck.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.